The most fun and impactful learning doesn't always happen in the classroom. Today we're sharing some of our favorite field trip ideas for students in Atlanta. Tag along. Hi, I'm Joy with Unexpected Atlanta, the #1 rated food and history tour company in the city. And we are always excited to learn more about our city and hope you are too. Now, field trips are such a great way to encourage exploration and hands-on learning. So check out these field trip ideas and let us know which you are most excited about. First up, let's talk about some options for our younger crowds. Now, if you're looking for a safe and active place to take your toddlers or elementary age kids, there is no better classroom than the great outdoors. But that doesn't mean that you have to stick close to home or to school. The Yellow River Wildlife Sanctuary offers a Walk on the Wild Side guided tour where visitors can feed and pet the animals. The sanctuary started as a home for injured and orphaned animals more than 60 years ago, and it's a perfect spot to introduce children to wildlife. The Atlanta Botanical Garden is another great nature spot. Each year, the garden showcases different art installations that play off of its gorgeous natural setting, from Alice in Wonderland to origami. So every visit is like playing in a brand new garden. The Botanical Garden also schedules lots of events that are perfect for a field trip, like story times, musical performances, art sessions, and educational activities. Kids and adults alike will be entertained for hours in this botanical paradise. Now, if you'd rather keep the kids inside, the Children's Museum is a classic choice for young explorers. They have special discounts for educators and pre-planned field trips that are designed to meet the Georgia performance standards. Immersive activities in STEM, language arts, history, and the arts will make learning feel like an adventure. They even offer sensory packs for children who might need sunglasses, fidget toys, or headphones. Atlanta also has plenty for slightly older kids. The Tellus Science Museum in Cartersville uses historical artifacts to connect with the world around us. They do space workshops during meteor showers and even offer virtual field trips for a more accessible experience. It's not surprising that the Georgia Business Journal nominated this spot as the best museum in Georgia. The College Football Hall of Fame is another favorite for teens and tweens. Because the employees there live, eat, and breathe football, there's no end to the fun facts you can take back to your family at the dinner table. But it's a truly rewarding and educational experience, whether you're a football fan or not. And it's not just about sports. The Hall of Fame offers a field trip experience that they say turns textbooks into playbooks. They use college football plays to explain STEAM-related concepts. Ever wondered about the velocity of a ball being thrown through the air? Or the amount of force behind a tackle? If you are looking for creative learning experiences, this is one of our favorite picks. We can't forget about the places that are unique to Atlanta's history and foundational to our culture. The World of Coka-Cola is an experience that never goes flat. There's a reason more than 25 million people have visited there, and it's not just the free soda samples at the end. Visitors will get a behind-the-scenes look at how the Coca-Cola company has been rooted in Atlanta history, as well as the bottling process and the secret formula vault. The Georgia Capitol Museum. It's another favorite option for a fun history lesson. The museum offers interactive scavenger hunts so students can engage with the artifacts and exhibits, or schedule one of their guided tours where trained guides take classroom learning and put it into context for a real-world lesson in democracy. Atlanta is, of course, the birthplace of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and is home to so much rich civil rights history. But we know that it can be hard to keep kids focused on their history books. And that's why we've designed Martin Luther King Jr. walking tours expressly with kids and school groups in mind. On this easy walk through the old Fourth Ward neighborhood, groups will journey through Dr. King's life from his childhood through his development as a global icon. You'll explore the local sites that influenced Dr. King's work and ideals as history comes alive beneath your feet, and learners of all ages will leave feeling informed and inspired. As you can tell, Atlanta offers a diverse set of experiences for visitors of every age, and these are some of our favorites. So let us know which ones are your favorites in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss out on any of our upcoming adventures. Check out more adventures at unexpectedatlanta.com.